Guys, today we're going to look at our spelling words. The sort is a little bit tricky, so I want to make sure you know kind of what the categories are and where the words go in the categories. So we have one group is AR words. R. Okay, and this any words that you see with the AR in it, it's going to make the sound R. So if I write the word part, which is one of your words, it's going to be P-A-R-T. And you know this says part, because it's R, part. Okay, we also have the word harm. Okay, not a very nice word, because I don't want you to harm anything. Okay, but we have the word harm. Alright, if I cover the H, I have the word arm. Okay, are you hearing how that's R? R, R, R in there? We also have, let's see, dark, 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 and start, start. Okay, so are you guys seeing this and kind of hearing part, and harm, and dark, and start? That's one category. That's one section of words that we have. The other section of words that we have, another one, is A-R-E. Okay, this doesn't say the sound R anymore unless it's by itself, because this word you know is R. Okay, so right up. This word you know is R, but when we put it in a word, it changes R to air. Okay, which is silly, but it is. So, like for example, if I put this in a word, if I put a C in front of it, I don't have car. This doesn't say car, right? That would be like this, and it would go over here. This says care. Care. All right, it changes the R to air. If I do it like this, S-T-A-R-E. Okay, just look, just S-T-A-R. You know that's the word star. Right, that would go in this side. But I put an E on the end of it, it's not star, it's stare. Alright, so that E, it does lots of stuff to words, but in this case it changes it from R to air. Alright, we have the word, let's see, hare. Okay, like a rabbit. Hare. H-A-R-E. Hare. And then we have the word pair. Now, you have 3 pairs in your spelling test this week, okay, as you may have noticed. This one goes here, and this pair means to cut down, okay? If you hear somebody say, I need to pare something down, I need to pare down my costs, I need to pare down this size of this piece of paper, somebody's paring it, they're spelling it this way. Pair. Alright, P-A-R-E. This is tricky. I don't want to lose you here. Okay? Gotta focus on this, guys. And there's one other category, and then we have a bunch of oddballs. Alright? We also have this. Now, you know this word by itself is air. The word air. Luckily, in the word, it doesn't even change this time. Okay, so that's very good. When we put this into words, it stays like air. Okay? So for example, the word hair. Okay? Looks air here, hair. Okay? The word fair. Alright, I'm going to the fair. It's not fair. Fair. Alright. Stare. Alright, and this is the stair that you walk on. Alright, this is the stair that you walk on. Alright, the stairs that you would walk on. This is the stair that you're looking at someone. Looking across the room. Or looking at something. You're staring. This stair. Okay, so you might have to come up with a way to remember it, guys. Like, I don't know. The E is staring. Staring at the star. I don't know. You've got to think of a way to remember it. This stair, I don't know, there's air on the stair. Okay, because it has actually the word air in it. Alright, so you got to think of a way to remember it because some of these words have homophones in them. Homophones are words that sound the same but we spell them differently. Okay, so you got to just work on it, got to practice it. And then we have our oddball words this week. And our oddball words, there's a few of them. But one of the oddball words I want to make sure we talk about is the word pear. They're all making like an air sound. Okay? This pear sounds the same as this pear, but this is the pear that we eat. Okay? This is the pear that we eat. This pear we can take a nice crunchy bite out of. Alright? And look, it has the word ear in it. So when we put a P in front of it, it makes it pear. Alright? We have the word where. This is a word that you guys should know how to spell. W-H-E-R-E. It's not a pattern, but you should know how to spell it. And what else do we have in here that's kind of weird? I think that looks like it for that. Oh, well then we have where. This where. That's the same pattern, isn't it? Okay, so that's the good news. This wear is like the clothes that you wear, though. Okay, this wear is like, where is it? Alright, there's actually another where too, but it's not on your list, so I'm not going to confuse things. But you have a lot of homophones in here, a lot of words that sound the same, but we spell differently. Okay, so for your homework tonight, I want you to sort these into the categories they belong in. Okay? You can draw a little picture beside each one to help you know. It doesn't have to be a big fancy drawing. You saw I just whipped these up really quick. Okay? Because I want to make sure you know where these words go, know how to spell them, and know what they mean. Alright? Are there any questions?